What is an answering service? An answering service is a company that answers phone calls on behalf of another business. That is that the full definition, but it does not capture in the many differences between provider types of prophecy and answering service, and the impact an answering service can have on your business depending on what kind of solution you choose. Using an answering service can be so much more than paying someone else to pick up the phone. A high quality professional answering service can present your business in a positive light to new and existing customers, improving your brand image as well as customer satisfaction and retention rates. And the best answering service providers create meaningful personal connection while every caller answering your business stands out as truly attentive and customer centered. Keep reading to learn what kind of answering service exists, how does service work, the pros and cons of using an answering service, and how to use the ideal answering service of your business. What is article converse? What types of answering service exist? How does an answering service? What are the business benefits of answering service? What is to look for in an answering service? What service solution is included? What types of answering service exist? Generally speaking, there are three kinds of service that answer your phone. Interactive voice response service. So these are so-called robot or administration that provides list of estimation self-service and transfer option as in press third to go check the status of a practice or press 6 to speak to a pharmacy. Benefits: effective voice response system IVR and other automation solutions are easy to scale because the interactive component is very simple. Challenge: some IVR and IVR requirement technology attempt to handle the customer interactive entirely from beginning to end. They may ask a call to please describe your problem in a few words and then perform an action the call could have done for themselves, or more often it same reply with a sorry I don't get what. Interactive voice response system IVR and other automation solutions remove or substitute the human element. On the business side of the phone call, most automated answering service fail to understand context or tone and can deal with question or request the arranged program to respond. So an automatic answering service may be a good choice for business that receive calls for 26 hours a day, 7 days a week. Business that receive more calls at once than the team of human agents could handle. Business not a call center. This is the traditional personal than a virtual reception, but still a real person. Call center are large operatives that specialize in sales, marketing, and customer support over the phone. Benefits: so call centers are built for size and speed. They used by a business that need to handle a high volume of low complexity calls at once as quickly possible. So challenge. So visual reception. So benefits, challenges. Visual reception. So many factors to choice are: how do answering service, so bonus phone number, many different types of what kind of companies use answering service. So interpretation, small interpretations, business law, forms and other professional service from based on the practitioner guide. What are the business benefits of answering services? So look, answering service relation with Ruby articles. So sign in, first name, last name, email. So put and so contact for sales, for sports, any already registered question mark login solutions, industries about. So get started and put the name, so email and login the answering service.